Cody's Mechanical now has the latest in indoor air quality, the COVID-19 killer, a true flu shot for your facility. Our exclusive in-duct air purifier, the latest and best indoor air quality product. Let's take a look at how it works. The in-duct air purifier proactively purifies every square inch of your facility, cleaning all contaminants in the air and on surfaces. The in-duct air purifier installs right into your duct system. When the blower turns on, it activates the unit, producing ionized hydroperoxide molecules that are distributed throughout your facility. Every time a hydroperoxide molecule comes in contact with the COVID-19 virus or any other virus, bacteria, germs, VOCs, odors, or other contaminants, it quickly breaks them down and destroys them, making your air clean and germ-free. The system also distributes positive and negative ions that charge the air, causing dust, mold spores, pet dander, or any other tiny particulate matter to cling together, making them larger and easily filtered. Works in all applications such as boardrooms, office workspaces, medical facilities, restaurants, classrooms, or any other enclosed work environment. With its revolutionary ultra-long life UV technology, the Halo LED unit will purify the air you breathe for years to come. Let us purify all your facilities' indoor air with our exclusive in-duct air purification system. A breath of fresh, clean air.